I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. March the 11th, 2009. What a day. Dollar index you're looking at right now. On the balls of it, you know what? Look at it right at the bottom end of a channel. Will it hold? I'd say we're probably going to bounce here a little bit, the dollar index, I'd say. But again, we are rolled over. It ain't been easy. If you take a look at the last 4 days, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Make up your mind already. Can't take it. But I will say this. Given the way the market's closing right now, and the stock market is looking like it's going to be in positive territory, again, what they're doing, the stock market goes up, the dollar goes down. Dollar yen is what's blowing my mind. Dollar yen really trading with the dollar, it seems, more and more. Bond yields going higher, and dollar yen going down. I think also repatriation is starting to come into play. We're getting to the end of the month, people. And the Japanese, while they want to protect their assets, if the stock market's going up, they can handle dollar yen going down. So I think we're starting to get to repatriation part of the year, end of the quarter, end of the half year, end of the fiscal year in Japan. So we'll get to that in a second. But dollar index, again, maybe the federal budget, printing more money, but again, stock market up has got to be the new relationship where stock market up, dollar down. Dollar index, again, looking very, very crucial spot. Looking very weak, I was going to say, right now. But again, we can easily bounce. But the channel line support I see in dollar index, right around here, 87.20. 30-day channel line. Thank you very much. So I think we probably rally a little bit. But I think now the bias, help us all. My bias now has to be dollar index to the downside. Doesn't mean things can't rally. Doesn't mean we can't rally up here. That's about a 120 pip rally in the euro. In the dollar against the euro. But if we hammer here, dollar index could be looking good. But right now, cable going for the highs. Let's take a look. Euro, hourly chart, looking bullish. Look at this chart now. We're going to break this entire downtrend channel line. Major at the close of the day. This ain't no joke. So big spot here. If we break out through this level, taking our previous day high, this euro would be very bullish. Unfortunately, I went both ways. We shorted it, we made money. I tried to go long, we broke even, lost a little bit, and then went short. So, end of the day, we didn't do so well. Euro yen, we did make a nice trade in that. Dollar yen, we were right on, but I reversed on that and tried to go long. Tough market. I'm not going to lie to you, tough market. But, we're sledding along, not losing money, not making money, though. Obviously, that's not great. We've had great months. It's all about the end of the year, people, not about each month. But this euro right now looking like it wants to go even more. Euro Canada over 165? Help me! Wow. Again, euro dollar to me. We're getting to the top of the channel here. I think we probably stall. Looking like what? 120, 128.70. Breaking out though, a major downtrend channel line. And I got an uptrend channel line breaking out of this downtrend channel line, now heading to the top of this uptrend channel line. And we'll have to look to buy the pullbacks. Maybe get a pullback to 127.50 tonight. That'd be where I'm looking to buy it. I'm not chasing this move. German industrial production, just an abomination. An absolute abomination. Right? Come on. Wow. Down 8%, and they're rallying this euro sterling and euro like it's going out of style. We'll see if that euro sterling didn't reverse today. Dollar yen, again, trading with that dollar index. But still has been acting horrible all week. And this close, we break through this whole 96.50 level. Look out. But dollar yen, I think we got to sell the strength. Dollar yen strength should be sold. Hopefully we get a rally up to 98 would be beautiful. Rally up to 98. Even that 97.90 level, which was support, that gave way big time. Maybe we get a little rally up to here. Channel line, though, obviously, the more time that goes by, the more we're going to catch up to this 98 level. Maybe it'll take some time. But dollar yen, again, I don't want to sell it here, but I think any rally up to 97.90, 97.80 looks like a dead short. Look at this euro dollar just exploding as we speak. Cable to the moon. Look at this sterling going for 39. We tried to buy it this morning. We got stopped out. I panicked. Not panicked out. Actually, we got out pretty good. We got out at 37.90. Only took a 30-pip loss. But really, once this hammer got in, you got to get long, people. This one, as we know, we see big time resistance at 139.50. It doesn't look as big anymore as it did yesterday. I see more. If the euro's going to break its downtrend channel line, why can't cable? Why not? And we got another one here. So certainly cable on a nice rally. 141.50 looks like the zone. The zone, baby. So 141.50, I think, certainly in the next 2 days could be in the cards. London numbers weren't so bad, and if the U.S. is solving their problem, listen, they're diving into this euro. It is so stupid. But I look for the euro, especially the Canadian. I think this Euro-Canada getting very toppy here. I mean, I feel like I'm getting a second chance. 167. Oh, yeah. Listen, I stayed out. We lost a little bit in Euro-Canada. We did. I thought we reversed big time yesterday. Fake out. Now to the moon. Euro-Sterling. No sign of reversal. No soup for you. I think you still got to buy the pullbacks. We look at the daily chart. We look at the daily chart here. And do we see a possible top? It looks like it might be losing some steam. A little bit. Maybe we get a little reversal, but it's so broken out. I think, we buy the pullbacks versus sell the rallies. It's going to make one more push higher. It's stalling. 95 certainly is a big spot, I think, a reversal there. Let's take a look at the carry trade. Big comeback by Euro-Yen. It tried to break out a little bit, but ending up coming back nicely at the end of the day. Around the outside. Dollar Canada, I don't know what its problem is. Can't rally. This Euro-Yen, I mean, it is an animal. It won't go down. It looks like it's ready to explode. We've now been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 weeks in a 300 pip range. When the hell's the last time? Well, back in February. No, I think we're ready to break out. I mean, the stock market, if it's going to close strong, not that that means anything anymore, obviously. It means nothing. But sterling yen, even with a little hammer, look at the sterling yen. I still think it can come down to here, down to our channel line support level there. But sterling yen, clearly, looking like it might want to bottom. But I don't think so. I think we head to this channel line tonight. That's around the 133 level, even. But that's where I'd be looking to get involved in sterling yen. Euro yen with euro sterling going up so much is an animal. Euro Canada, let's take a look at that. We have time. Oh boy, big breakout, huh? Big breakout. I really want to fight this, I'll tell you. I really want to go to battle with this, but I can't. It looks too good. Listen, I thought it reversed yesterday. It was a beautiful outside day. Now it looks like it's going higher. Could it reverse at 65.50? You're damn right it could. But I'll tell you, the 61 is usually the golden retracement. So 67.80. Only another 270 pips away. This is the biggest joke, most overvalued currency pair, in my humble opinion. Canadians have stuff. Europeans don't. Look, almost a 10-year high, except for that 75 ridiculous spike. So this doesn't deserve to be here, given where gold is, given where the state of the Canadian economy is. It's a joke. Loonie yen, let's take a look at that. Loonie yen was down nicely. Nice little triangle formation, though. I like it. Descending. But I'll tell you what, we break this whole downtrend channel, we take out 78. To the moon, Alice. And again, watch this sterling yen, even though it's hammering today. How many times do we see a hammer and we get no bullish engulfing, it just goes right down. So remember, it's triple roll tonight. And this rally means nothing. So we're going to be selling buying the yen across the board tonight. Didn't do it last week, and I paid for it. So tonight, carry trade, triple roll, Andrew Spanton. info@globalfxradio.com, the only voice you will ever need Forex that makes you money.